How to identify autism in your child and support them daily. Are you a parent who's been noticing that your child behaves a little differently from others? Maybe they avoid eye contact, don't respond when you call their name, or often repeat the same actions. These could be signs of autism spectrum disorder. In this guide, we'll explore how to recognize early signs of autism, when to seek a diagnosis, and how to create a loving, supportive daily routine for your child. Autism can show up in many different ways, but there are some common signs to look out for. These include difficulty maintaining eye contact, not responding to their name, delays in speech or communication, a preference for playing alone, repetitive behaviors like hand flapping or spinning objects, and heightened sensitivity to sounds, smells, or textures. Most of these behaviors can be noticed before the age of 3, but every child is unique. What matters most is to observe with care, without judgment or fear. If you've noticed some of these signs, don't panic and don't blame yourself. The best thing you can do is seek guidance from a trusted pediatrician, a child neurologist, or a psychologist who specializes in autism. Getting an early diagnosis is incredibly helpful. The earlier you understand what your child needs, the sooner you can offer the right tools and support to help them grow with confidence and quality of life. Once you receive a diagnosis, you may feel overwhelmed, but you're not alone. There are practical steps you can take to make everyday life smoother for both you and your child. One of the first is creating a predictable routine. Children with autism often feel safer when they know what to expect during the day. Visual communication tools like picture cards, symbols, or gestures can also make a big difference in explaining tasks or organizing activities. It's important to reduce excessive stimulation as much as possible. Noisy or chaotic environments can trigger distress or meltdowns. If you can, create a calm and quiet space at home where your child can feel comfortable and grounded. Another essential tip is to celebrate progress no matter how small. Whether it's trying a new food, making eye contact, or completing a simple task, positive reinforcement builds your child's confidence and strengthens your bond. And don't forget to take care of yourself too. Raising a child on the spectrum takes emotional strength. Reach out to other parents, join support groups, and never be afraid to ask for help. Your mental and emotional well-being are just as important. If you're reading this, it's because you deeply love your child and want the best for them. Autism is not a disease, it's simply a different way of seeing the world. With love, patience, and the right information, you can walk this journey with your child and build a beautiful path together.